Hello everyone, my name is Melissa, 34 years old from the beautiful country of the Philippines. I am certified TEFL teacher, which means I am certified to teach English. I am passionate about reading and painting, but my greatest love is teaching. I am patient, supportive, and eager about helping learners achieve their personal and academic goals. I am committed to creating positive environment where you can feel comfortable practicing and improving English. My goal is to help my students build their confidence and truly enjoy English. I believe that learning English should be fun and exciting, and I am here to make that happen. So if you are ready for a joyful class full of learning, book a session with me. Hoping to see you soon.